Hello and welcome from jayzdelectablez. If you're craving takeout, then forget the hassle of ordering your food and waiting for the delivery. And grab your utensils to make the super easy recipe of umami-packed succulent sesame chicken. So we'll start with chicken preparation. For this, I've taken about 700 grams of chicken breast cut into small pieces. Now I'll marinate the chicken using the following ingredients. That's going to be a small bowl full of plain flour, about the same amount of corn flour, salt to taste, quarter teaspoon of baking soda, 2 whole eggs, 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 spoonful of hoisin sauce, and a teaspoon of black pepper. Now it's time for making magic in the bowl, so I'm mixing all the ingredients into the chicken. Add a little bit of water to the ingredients so that the chicken pieces can be marinated properly. You can prepare your marination in a separate bowl, but I've kept it quick and easy, since fewer dishes mean less cleaning. Keep the chicken marinated for about half an hour, then fry it up on medium flame. After frying, when the chicken pieces turn into crispy golden nuggets, take them out and place them on paper towel lined dish so that the oil is properly drained out of the nuggets. So here, our crispy golden nuggets are all set to rock and roll. Now I'll prepare the sauce for the chicken. For this, I'm gonna take a little bit of sesame oil in a pan with about a tablespoon of minced garlic. Saute for a few seconds. Then add a little bit of ketchup, a few squirts of honey, 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, around a tablespoon of brown sugar, roughly the same amount of vinegar as soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. You can alter the quantity of the ingredients according to the amount of chicken you're using. Now stir all the ingredients into the oil on a medium flame. Once the sugar melts and the corn flour dissolves into the ingredients, add a chicken stock cube to the sauce and mix well. This will make the sauce more rich and flavorful. Add a little bit of water to the pan so that the ingredients won't stick to the pan while stirring. Stir the ingredients for a little while till the sauce becomes thick and bloppy. When the sauce starts singing, now it's time to add the crispy chicken nuggets to the sauce. Once the chicken nuggets have taken a plunge into the sauce, stir them carefully into the sauce so that they are properly coated. You can also spare a little bit of sauce separately before adding the chicken, which can be used as gravy for the chicken once the sesame chicken is dished out. Now throw a generous sprinkling of sesame seeds onto the chicken, and your luscious umami-filled sesame chicken is ready to dazzle. Explore the fifth taste on your palate with this savoury sweet chicken and super glazy flavourful sauce combined with the nutty taste from the sesame sprinkle. Fill your platters with this incredibly easy recipe and enjoy the crave-worthy flavours of sesame chicken across every bite. Happy eating! Savor the flavor, and if you find this video interesting, do let me know through comments and likes, and subscribe to my channel for more super tasty yet quick recipes. And if you're craving for something sweet, check out this video for my easy homemade cake pops recipe.